Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to be here today. I'm going to be making an Easter sweetbread. Let's get started with the Easter bread. So here I have 1 1/4 cup of milk. I did warm it up a little bit and I added 2 teaspoons of yeast just to bloom it, and I left it about 10 minutes. I do have 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs with a little bit of vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla. I have zest of a lemon and an orange, 1/4 stick of butter that melted, and 4 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna sift that flour before I get started here. And this egg is actually just beaten, and this is gonna be for the egg wash at the end. We'll leave it to the side. So I'm gonna add the eggs first, right to the bowl, to the mixer bowl, and the sugar, and the lemon zest and orange zest. And before I do that, I'm gonna just give it a little whisk to dissolve the sugar into the egg. Just about a couple of minutes. Now the sugar and egg is mixed pretty well. I'm gonna add the butter. Give that a quick mix. Then I'm adding the milk and the yeast mixture. Okay, so I'm done sifting my flour. I'm going to add it gradually to the mixing bowl, and I am using the hook attachment. We're going to go about 2 minutes on low until all the flour is incorporated into the liquids, and then we're going to go to medium to high speed about 5 minutes. Let's go! Okay, the dough is ready now. It's coming off the side and it's coming together as a ball. It's a little bit tacky, but that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm going to remove my dough now, and I do have a greased bowl. I just put some butter in there just so it doesn't stick. So I'm going to remove it, shape it into a bowl, like a big bowl, just to make it smooth. And I'm just going to place it in this greased bowl with butter. I'm going to cover it with plastic and just put a towel over it and let it sit and rise for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours till it doubles in size. Okay, so we're back after 2 hours. I'm going to check on the dough. It does look like it rose pretty well, and it doubled in size, as you can see. Nice. So I'm going to turn it over on the counter. All right, it looks good. Nice. I'm going to cut it in half. And so I think I'm going to make 2 different loaves. I think I'm going to make a wreath and a log. So we're going to cut it in half. Keep this one on the side. And on this one, I think I'm going to cut this one in 3. Okay. Oops. Now we're going to make each piece into a log. Let's pass this one to the side. Just roll it with both palms. I would say maybe about 20 inch. That here. Start with the second one. This is really easy to spread because it rested enough. Okay, let's see here. Let me see if I can remember how to braid. Okay, we're gonna connect the top, and we're just gonna braid it. This side over, this side over, this side over, this one over. Okay, we're gonna seal that. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my tray. So I'm going to put some parchment paper on the tray. This way it doesn't stick onto the bottom of the tray. And we're going to bring this over here. All right, that's my log. And this one I'm going to make into a crown. I think I'm going to also braid it into three equal parts. This one is a little bit too small. Go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go ahead and braid this too. Stick this together on top. Take this side over. Okay. It's always hard to start the braid. Okay. And I am going to make this one into a crown. Just stick this together. Okay, now we're done braiding both the loaf and the crown. Now this is going to be the last rest or fermentation or rise. It's going to take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. We're going to just cover it with plastic. And, oh, great. That's okay. Those things happen. That's not my favorite thing to do, is use that plastic wrap. There we go. Make sure it's covered. I'll throw a towel on there. And just let it rise. Okay, the bread has already been proofing. It took a little bit more than 2 hours, about 2.5 hours. So what we're gonna do is egg wash. So this is just 1 egg and beaten with a drop of vanilla. So I wanna make sure to cover the top before I put it in the oven. And my oven has already been preheating at 350. So very gently, so it doesn't deflate. I brush the egg wash on. So we're done egg washing, and now we're gonna take it to the oven. It's gonna take about 25 minutes and at 350 degrees, and we'll be back. Here we go, out of the oven, looking really good and smelling delicious. The only thing I did wrong, I should have separated them. I should have put each one in a different tray and baked them separately. But that's okay, they grew into each other after they proofed, but that's fine. Mistake, next time I won't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cool them on the rack. Okay. Let them cool, don't get cut into them when they're hot. They're gonna be too doughy, so we're gonna let them cool for a little bit. We'll come back and taste them together. Okay, our bread is cool enough so we can try it. It looks delicious. We can go ahead and slice into it. Check it out, it's really nice and soft. And also, another way I like to eat it is just to pull it apart, like this. It's really, really nice. See how it pulls apart? Can we try? Can't reach you. I hope you get to make this recipe for Easter. I want to wish everybody happy Easter who is celebrating. And thank you so much for watching me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next video. See you later. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited. We're gonna be making Easter bread together today. Today?
Today, 10 p.m.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm very, very excited to be here and to be back in my kitchen. What can I say? Okay, below. In the link below.